Welcome to Cash Flow Compass, where we simplify the business models that actually work. Our goal is to provide you with actionable insights and practical advice that you can implement right away. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, we have something valuable for you. Today, we're diving into drop servicing, one of the most underrated online businesses in 2025. Drop servicing is a business model where you sell services to clients, but instead of doing the work yourself, you outsource it to freelancers or agencies. This allows you to focus on marketing and client acquisition while experts handle the service delivery. It's a low-risk, high-potential model that doesn't require you to be an expert or carry inventory. You can start with minimal investment and scale as you grow. The key is to find reliable service providers and build a strong brand that attracts clients. We'll break down how it works, the best niches, and the steps you need to take to get started. From choosing the right services to market, to setting up your website and finding clients, we'll cover it all. And how to launch your own profitable service business from scratch. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own drop servicing business and achieve financial freedom. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Drop servicing is the digital equivalent of outsourcing. You sell a service, but someone else fulfills it. Think of it as the service-based cousin of dropshipping. You find clients who need a task done, like writing blog posts or editing videos, and you pay a freelancer or AI tool to deliver the result, pocketing the margin in between. What makes it attractive in 2025 is the rise of high-quality, low-cost freelancers worldwide. The global workforce has never been more connected, and the talent pool is vast and diverse. Freelancers from different corners of the world bring unique skills and perspectives, making it easier than ever to find the right person for any job. This interconnectedness allows businesses to tap into a wealth of expertise without the overhead costs associated with traditional employment. Additionally, the surge in AI tools that handle creative and technical tasks has revolutionized the way we work. These tools can automate repetitive tasks, analyze data with incredible speed, and even assist in creative processes like content creation and design. By leveraging AI, businesses can increase efficiency and reduce costs, allowing them to focus on strategic growth and innovation. The combination of human creativity and AI precision creates a powerful synergy that drives success in the modern marketplace. This creates a massive arbitrage opportunity for anyone who knows how to package and sell services effectively. By understanding market demands and leveraging the skills of freelancers and AI tools, entrepreneurs can create high-value service offerings at a fraction of the cost. This model allows for significant profit margins and the ability to scale quickly. The key is to identify niches where there is a high demand for services and a gap in the market that you can fill with your unique offerings. Unlike traditional freelancing, you're not the one doing the work. Instead, you act as the project manager, coordinating between clients and freelancers. This role allows you to focus on building relationships, managing projects, and ensuring quality delivery. By delegating the actual work to skilled freelancers, you can handle multiple projects simultaneously, increasing your earning potential without being bogged down by the day-to-day tasks. You're the project manager and business developer. Your primary responsibilities include finding clients, negotiating contracts, and ensuring that projects are completed on time and to the client's satisfaction. This role requires strong communication and organizational skills, as well as the ability to think strategically and solve problems quickly. By mastering these skills, you can build a successful drop servicing business that operates smoothly and efficiently. That makes this model scalable, because once your systems are in place, your time isn't tied directly to your income. With the right processes and tools, you can automate many aspects of your business, from client acquisition to project management. This allows you to focus on growth and expansion, rather than getting caught up in the minutiae of daily operations. As your business grows, you can hire additional freelancers and invest in more advanced tools to further increase efficiency and profitability. Best of all, it's easy to start. You don't need a large upfront investment or a physical office space. With a computer and an internet connection, you can run your business from anywhere in the world. This flexibility allows you to work on your own terms and create a lifestyle that suits you. Whether you're looking to build a full-time business or a side hustle, drop servicing offers a low-risk, high-reward opportunity. All you need is a niche, a reliable supplier, and a way to get clients. Choosing the right niche is crucial, as it determines the type of services you'll offer and the clients you'll attract. Research different industries and identify areas where there is a high demand for services but limited competition. Once you've chosen your niche, find reliable freelancers or agencies that can deliver high-quality work. Building a network of trusted suppliers ensures that you can consistently meet client expectations and deliver exceptional results. And a way to get clients, which we'll cover next. Marketing your services effectively is key to attracting and retaining clients. Utilize social media, content marketing, and networking events to build your brand and showcase your expertise. By providing value and building trust with potential clients, you can create a steady stream of business and grow your drop servicing venture into a thriving enterprise. The secret to a successful drop servicing business in 2025 is niche selection. In today's competitive market, finding the right niche can make or break your business. It's not just about choosing a service to offer. It's about identifying a specific segment of the market that has a high demand but low competition. This strategic approach allows you to stand out and attract clients who are looking for specialized services that cater to their unique needs. Instead of offering general services like content writing, focus on high-demand, low-competition sub-niches. This means diving deep into market research to uncover areas where there is a significant need but not many providers. For instance, you might discover that while there are many content writers, there are fewer experts in writing SEO-optimized content for the healthcare industry. By positioning yourself as a specialist in this sub-niche, you can attract clients who are specifically looking for that expertise. For example, instead of video editing, offer TikTok ad editing for e-commerce brands. TikTok has become a powerful platform for e-commerce businesses to reach their target audience, and there is a growing demand for high-quality, engaging ads. By focusing on this specific service, you can become the go-to expert for e-commerce brands looking to leverage TikTok for their marketing campaigns. This not only sets you apart from general video editors, but also allows you to charge premium rates for your specialized skills, or podcast editing for coaches. Podcasts have exploded in popularity, and many coaches are using them as a platform to share their knowledge and connect with their audience. However, not all coaches have the time or expertise to edit their podcasts professionally. By offering podcast editing services tailored specifically for coaches, you can tap into a niche market that values high-quality audio production. This allows you to build a reputation as a specialist in podcast editing for coaches, making it easier to attract and retain clients. Targeting a niche allows you to speak directly to their pain points and command higher prices. When you understand the specific challenges and needs of your niche, you can tailor your services and marketing messages to address those pain points effectively. This makes your offerings more appealing to potential clients, as they see you as an expert who understands their unique situation. As a result, they are more likely to trust you and be willing to pay a premium for your specialized services. It also helps when running ads or doing cold outreach, since your messaging becomes hyper-relevant. When your marketing messages are tailored to a specific niche, they resonate more with your target audience. This increases the effectiveness of your ads and outreach efforts, leading to higher conversion rates. For example, if you are targeting e-commerce brands with your TikTok ad editing services, your ads can highlight the benefits of using TikTok for e-commerce and showcase your expertise in creating engaging ads for this platform. This makes your marketing efforts more impactful and helps you attract the right clients. Some great niches this year include AI content repurposing, which is turning long-form content into short-form, lead generation for local businesses, YouTube automation packages, Notion template setup for creators, and of course, SEO blog writing for affiliate sites. Choose a service you understand, even if you won't be fulfilling it yourself. This ensures you can communicate clearly with both the client and the freelancer. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is sourcing fulfillment. You can build a team of freelancers or leverage AI tools, or even a mix of both for maximum efficiency. For freelancers, sites like Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, and Fiverr Pro are great starting points. The key is to test their work with small trial tasks and maintain a clear SOP or standard operating procedure for how each service should be delivered. You want reliability, not just talent. On the AI side, tools like ChatGPT 11 Labs, Runway ML, and Canva can handle a large portion of content creation and design tasks. You could even automate video scripts, voiceovers, and thumbnails using AI, drastically reducing cost and turnaround time. Keep communication centralized with tools like Trello or ClickUp, and use templates to speed up delivery. As you build more repeat clients, you'll refine your process into a predictable, scalable system. You don't need a huge following to start making money. In fact, your first few clients will likely come from cold outreach, Upwork proposals, or LinkedIn connections. The trick is to offer a service that solves a very specific problem and pitch it with a results-focused angle. Write a simple pitch like this. Hi name, I help YouTubers repurpose long-form videos into TikToks that generate more reach and followers. Would you be open to testing 3 clips this week? First one's free. That kind of offer cuts through noise and gets replies. Other acquisition channels include Facebook groups, Twitter DMs, niche Discords, and even posting your offer on Fiverr or Contra. Once you land your first few clients, focus on over-delivering. A great experience leads to testimonials, referrals, and repeat business, which reduces the need for constant prospecting. After you've built your first successful workflow, it's time to scale. This means building repeatable systems and hiring people or using tools to take yourself out of the day-to-day. You can set up a simple agency website using Card or Framer, with service pages, testimonials, and a booking form. This adds credibility and allows you to run targeted ads or send clients a professional link. To fully automate, bring in a virtual assistant to handle communications, client onboarding, and task assignments. That way, you focus only on growth, partnerships, ad testing, and strategic outreach. The goal is to create a predictable service pipeline where clients come in, tasks get fulfilled, and money flows without constant input from you. That's what turns drop servicing from a side hustle into a real online business. Drop servicing in 2025 is lean, scalable, and highly profitable when done right. With the right tools, team, and positioning, you can build a business that pays you, without owning inventory, having deep skills, or needing a personal brand. Subscribe to Cashflow Compass for more detailed breakdowns, niche ideas, and step-by-step online business strategies. We've got plenty more ways to help you build smarter cash flow.